Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a shapeshifter on the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Among Us game on your device. And if this is the first time that you are playing the game, then you will be asked to sign into your account. After signing in and setting up your profile, you will gain access to the main menu. From the main menu, you can start playing your game by tapping on play, and then you can select whether you want to play locally or online. After choosing your game, you might need to wait for other users to join your game in order to start it. Now, once your game has already started, you will gain access to the cafeteria menu, from which, if you wish to shapeshift, then you will need to go into the computer first. After you access the computer, tap on the customize button at the bottom right corner, and now within the main menus, you will find various different options. At the very last, you can find the bshapeshifter.exe file, which is the red file. You can tap on it, and now there is an option to shift. Go ahead and tap on the shift button, and now you can shapeshift and turn into other crewmates. Simply select the other crewmate's suit color and you will immediately be changed to their suit. Once the timer on the unshift option runs out, you will be reverted back to your original uniform. And then you can shift once again once the shift meter has filled up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to become a shapeshifter and shift into other crewmates within the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.